so we got question 1 of section B, subtraction. So this is the same as adding, but obviously subtracting instead. So we've got 2 over 3 take 1 over 4. First job is we have to get those bases to be the same. So you might remember from adding, we times the opposite number on the opposite side from the base. So we can see I had a 3 here, and that is going to be the number that I multiply over here. And then I had a 4 on the right hand side, so now that's going to times on the left hand side. So now I'm going to multiply all of my pieces together. So I'm going to have 2 times 4 is 8, over 3 times 4 is 12. I'm going to have 1 times 3 is 3, over 12, and subtracting. Now, because these are now the same bases, means that I can just do the subtraction. So 8 take 3 is 5, over 12, and that's all we do. The question 2 is our example with a mixed number. And with a mixed number, you might remember that we work around in a circle. So we have that base number of the 3 there. That's going to times by the whole number out the front, and then add to the number on top of the fraction. So we're going to go round, timesing, and adding. So we're going to end up with 3 times 2 plus 2 over 3, because the base stays the same. And if we do that on the other side as well, we're going to go round in a circle, timesing, and then adding. 4 times 1 plus 1 over 4. The first thing we need to do is all this ugly, gross maths on the top. So we're going to multiply and add them to get rid of that. So 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8. And we're going to get 8 over 3. Take away. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5, over 4. Now, what you'll see here, 3 and 4 are not the same base. So we need to work to get them to be the same. And you might remember from what we did just before, I will times by 4 on this side, and I'll times by 3 on this side. So now 8 times 4 is 32, over 12, take away 15 over 12. We now have the same bases, so we're going to be able to subtract. 32 take 15 is 17 over 12. And you might also remember from our sums before that this 12 is smaller than 17. So we need to see how many 12s fit into 17. So we know one group of 12 will fit into 17, and there's 5 remainders out of 12. Okay, using that as a bit of help, see if you can do that one independently and then check your answer.